Okie dokie. Damn, it's cold out here. We got some snow. The sun's out at least, but it's still like 20 some degrees. Let's see if the old swept line will fire up. It's been a couple weeks. Let's see. Old, reliable. And here comes oil pressure. Good, good, good. I love this truck. And some General Mayhem action. Let's see if we can get the old girl to fire up. It is cold out here. Come on, baby. Ho, 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 ho. Now we're in business. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Floyd's Mayhem Garage here. Turns out there's a Christmas or end of 2020 challenge or burnout competition, whatever you want to call it, going around. And it sounds like these guys called out those guys started a burnout here, those guys then called out these people called out these guys ended up calling out Mortske Repair called out me, and said I need to do a burnout for the end of the year. So of course I'm always up for a good burnout, and here we are. So let's get into it. I have, unlike Mortske's, if you haven't, you should go check out his video. He ended up running into a predicament. He didn't have a whole lot of running vehicles. He ended up having some fun with a old van that he got running and did a awesome neutral drop in it up against a tractor to get us to do a burnout. So unlike him, I do have a few projects that run. He wanted to see a burnout of my swept line, so naturally got the swept line out. I did just, recently put new wheels and tires on it, so I am gonna change some tires out because I don't want to burn those up, and I didn't change them, so I can change most of my tires except for these 20, so I'm not touching them. So, but I didn't think that'd be fun by itself, so I think I've got a idea to step this up a little bit. Of course I've got the General Mayhem, got to do a burnout on that while I'm at it, but what else do I got that's running and driving around here? Well, hell, how about the daily, the tow rig, the crew cab Cummins? I'm pretty sure that can do a burnout, so I think that one's going to make it in this episode as well. And the only other vehicle that I got that runs, unfortunately it's not the 67 Charger, it's my off-road truck. I have a feeling that this is going to break, so let's do a burnout with it. This one, I was goofing around with it the other day. There's no front drive shaft in it, so it's just rear-wheel drive. Still plowed into some dirt. It's something I need to put a lot of time into. I just haven't yet. So whoever did the previous work to it, cutting the wheel wells out, doing a axle swap, if you will, it's got GM axles under it. The front was a GM 6-lug that they put Dodge hubs on for the 8-lug conversion. It's got a 10 or a 12 or 14, I don't even know what's got in the back. But they did this homemade shackle repair. No shocks. Pinion angle is god-awful. This has the worst shake and vibration to it I've ever had. The welds on the axle for the shoes, well, there really isn't much to talk about. So I think this is gonna break. If it doesn't break, I'm gonna be shocked, and we'll end the video that way, but I'm kind of hoping she breaks. That'll make a great end to this video. So let's change some tires and get after it. I believe we can find some tires out here. Wow, it's cold. At least the sun's at the front of the shop. It is cold back here. Okay, now we'll leave that open. I'm sure. Yeah, looks like it'll hold air. Those might be two good candidates. Alright. So you wouldn't believe it, but I have been cleaning back here. you'll recognize some more space up here. But I have just recently organized some tires, and I think I got a whole bunch of 8 lugs over here and a few 5 lugs. Those ones back there look like they might work. But let's see. Ooh, there we go. I think we have some winners. Damn, those babies are new. No weather checking, decent amount of tread. What a waste. Those are gonna burn up good. Alright everyone, gotta stop and laugh here for a little bit. Oh, I've lowered my truck so far, and I've got the wheels so tucked up in there. I've got to pry the body out a little bit to get the wheels up in there. The 20s, because they're such a low profile, they'll slide out and come out this way. But these ones, you gotta cram them up in there. So right now, we're just sitting on the body, and, I don't know if you see that, we're just crammed up against the drum on the back side there. Oh, this is not the easiest vehicle to change tires on. Or wheels and tires, I guess. Alright. Alright, we gotta live in the moment a little here on this one. This is outside. Oh, that is all going into the neighbors. Yeah, that was a good one. Ooh. Alright. I think we should mix it up a little bit here. Let's do a good one, and let's maybe not such a good one. Let's see how the crew cab does. And then I think after that, I think we'll go General Mayhem and off-road truck, I think is the plan here. Good, bad. Or good, maybe okay, then great, and then probably break, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. One way to find out. See the back door? Oh yeah, the back door is open back there. Alright, I gotta get out of here. Am I on fire again? Oh my god, you can't see anything out here. Oh yeah, I gotta love the crew cab. guys see anything? Oh, not really, huh? That's pretty good. Well, there's the General Mayhem. The back door is open. You just can't see it. There we go. And there you go. You can start to see the back door here. Holy cow. So there we go. Oh, I love that car so much. Wouldn't you know it, went inside to grab some food and warm up a little bit. Come back out 45 minutes later, hour, I don't know what it's been. We're still smoking with our mound of rubber that I laid down here. I think that just about does it. Tell you what, the off-road Dodge here really surprised me. I was a little hesitant to get going, but it actually did a pretty damn good burnout. You know, and of course, can't go wrong with the old swept line. It's a swept line. 440, 4-speed, 323 sugar grip, slam to the ground. You just can't go wrong. And of course, you know, the other shocker, the crew cab surprisingly did well with the Burnout too. And General Mayhem, you know, 3rd gear Burnout, line lock, it's made for this. So that wasn't even a challenge. But I guess now that I got this out of the way, this challenge, I don't know exactly who started this, but I was trying to figure that out, and there's tons of videos of this so far, but we'll keep it simple. This is a end of the year 2020 Christmas challenge, hoo-ha, whatever, get together, and I was challenged to get this done by the end of the year, so I've got this done. I don't think I'll push that as much on the next guys. I think let's just do a New Year challenge now, or move this into the new year. Get the burnout done as soon as you can. If it's a couple days into the new year, that's not a problem. This is now the Christmas New Year challenge call out, if you will. So got a couple people in mind. I think Scott's Speed Shop needs to do some burnouts. So Jed over there, he's got a couple Mopars. I know he's been working on a Duster. He's got a his Jezebel Charger. Same as me, things are constantly changing, working on them, breaking stuff, so I'm sure he can find something running and driving over there to do a burnout though. Otherwise, we got Greaser Thoughts Garage. He's got a few interesting projects as well. More than happy to do a burnout, so let's see a video on that as well. And who else we got? How about Just Mopar Joe? I gotta stick with my Mopars, and see some action with that as well. And like I said, no huge rush. Instead of pushing to the end of the year, we'll give you a couple days, but let's see some burnouts out there. And last but not least, let's see if Junker Up will do a burnout. Chris Birdsong over in Vegas there, he's again, Mopars, so I'm sure he's got a few Chargers, or maybe he's got something interesting hiding over there to do something fun with. You never know, but let's see. And I suppose that wraps up for this video. Take it easy. And I almost forgot on that as well. The guys I just called out, head over to their page, their channels, and comment on one of the videos. Tell them that they've been challenged, if you will, and let them know that it's their turn. And hopefully we'll get some reactions from some people, and we'll have some burnouts coming. So take it easy.